Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. Consider hitting like and subscribe if you like the video. Today we're going to talk about Melnor, and specifically these two Melnor nozzles. Melnor is a brand I've used for years and years and years. Obviously over the decades there's more plastic parts, fewer metal parts, and if you hear this, well, you'd hear it better here. There's some squeaking, there's some apparently degradation of the springs inside. I'm going to tell you about these, then I'm going to move the camera, show you what my complaint was, and then we'll go over what Melnor did as far as customer service. Most of the Melnors, the more expensive ones, to $13, $14, $15, have a limited lifetime warranty. The ones that are $8, $9 like this have sometimes a 5-year warranty, 7-year warranty. What their warranty asks you to do is, if they fail on you, they want your original receipt from wherever you bought it, and then they want you to pack these rascals up in the mail, or UPS, whatever, and send them up to Winchester, Virginia. Now, to send these two, with the weight here and with the rates now through the mail, this would probably be about an $8 shipping, which would be basically the entire cost of the cheaper of the two nozzles. So, let me show you what they do, and then we'll talk about what our next steps were. So this is the old defective Melnor. I'm hoping it doesn't spray and get wild. I'm going to step out of frame, turn on the water, and you'll see what this does. Right now, the nozzle should be completely off, and as you can see, it's not off. It's got a mind of its own. The springs have gone bad. The second nozzle, I'll turn it on the water, and water is coming out of the end of it, but water is also coming out of this cutoff, and that is no bueno. So that one was bad too. Well, a little bit of time's gone by, not too much, about a week. Actually, I think it's exactly 1 week. It was Saturday, and today's Saturday that I called, and as I said before, I had two different Melnor sprayers here. This one is one that at Home Depot it's listed with a lifetime warranty, and of course that required you having the original receipt. This is really nice. I mean, it does all this stuff. Here's your jet, shower, mist. Actually the soaker is pretty good. The cone's not useful for much. Full's good if you need a whole lot of water, and probably the jet too for what I use to blast bird poop off a car. It works great, but the shower is great for getting down and watering the roots or the root area of a tomato plant. Same thing here. This little cheaper one, this was around $9. It's got a full setting, stream, all that. The problem was that with this, after a couple years, you can feel the springs don't work anymore. So you squeeze it and you let it go. When you let it go, and it goes off, this is supposed to shut the water off, and the water just comes pouring out. Here, oddly, it was working great this spring until I went, and this is the cutoff. That's opening it up, that's to close it, and all of a sudden water started blasting out of the sides of here. And so Melnor went ahead and worked with me at customer service. These are the old ones. Here's the reveal. The new box just got here today, and I think it's just going to be really heavily glued. It says press hard to seal, and these priority mailboxes they got some great glue on them. So I'm going to take a knife and run it through here. It's an awful big box for just two little sprayers. So here we go. The new improved addition, and if you look at it, it's slightly different. Fewer knurling cuts put into it. Body's a little more squared off. This is a little bit bigger, but I think it's still, let's see what it says here. Yeah, still made in China, but you know, if they covered the warranty, the action feels a whole lot better here. So I got a feeling that one's going to work just fine. And then the yellow and black edition doesn't have a packing card. And as you see here, they mention, well, it's made in China, but where do they mention? Actually, this one does not mention the warranty. And that's a little unusual. But again, Melnor from Winchester, Virginia, 100 and some miles north, flat center. It's nice. New, clean, no wear and tear. And over the last couple of years, they haven't changed the design at all on this one. So, looking forward to using these. I've got a couple of hose bibs that need something at the end of the hose to replace the ones that died. And I got to say that the customer service was better than I expected. And put this back into the frame so you can see what I'm talking about. They did a good job. They did me right. And a shout out to the lady at customer service who didn't blast me for not having the receipt on something of this after a couple of years. Those receipts tend to make it to the trash. So, here's what Melnor did for us. I called on Saturday, and customer service isn't open in Winchester on Saturday. I complained about the fact that I needed an original receipt, which is long gone, and that I had to ship both of these off to them. I got a call on Monday from Melnor. Saturday, Sunday, they were closed. Monday they called. And the lady was very nice, and she said if I could get some pictures of the old nozzles, they would figure out which of the new nozzles they could send to me to replace them without me sending those in. Now we go with the new nozzle. I'll turn on the water, and it's turned off currently with the thumb control. And if you look over at this other chair, there's a little bird poop on it because these are outside. There we go. That's full. This is flat. I'm going to never use. Center's good for wetting down a seed bed when you plant seeds and it's dry like it is now. They said we're in a drought jet. It's very similar to full shower. This is great for watering plants that are established. It's a very soft, like a rain, but not a rain that's got a blast stuff. Mist, don't use much. Soaker, don't use much. Cone is okay. So, there we go. This is what a Melnor should work like. Thank you, Melnor, for doing the thing, replacing these under guarantee. So, I've got this new one. It's a 7-position, I believe. Full, flat, jet, shower, mist, soaker, cone. This one is the smaller of the two. And then I got the big one. They call it the Melnor Relax Grip. And instead of squeezing, you hear this one doesn't make any squeaking noise. It's brand new. This has a thumb rolling for your cutoff. So you turn it on. You can do whatever you want with your hand, and then do that to turn it off instead of keeping this squeezed in and all. So anyway, very pleased with the customer service. I've used the products. I've always liked the products. I just was getting tired of having to throw them away every couple of years once they went on their back, legs up, and dead. So think about it. If you buy a Melnor, if you think about it, you can hold on to your receipt, probably take a picture of that receipt, but you don't necessarily have to send them back and pay that extra money. Thank you, Melnor, for doing the right thing, and thank you folks for watching.